Good afternoon, everyone. This time it's afternoon because I was doing a lot of stuff in the pond with the fish and all kinds of things because my pond has turned green. It's like split pea soup. So I had to do some adjusting of the water levels. So right now, what we're going to do this weekend is use only these colors. So you're not used to this from me because they're all really kind of bright, but this is what we're going to do. So this is paint that I put the silicone in. I'm going to put that aside for a bit because I'm going to take the canvas and flood it with black. A lot of black. And it's kind of thick, so I'm really going to just level it. And I could do that with something else, which goes a little quicker, like an old card. Because I really don't want a really thick layer so that the colors all fall through. I just want it totally covered. So let's see if we can get that really nice and covered. So the house stuff, guys, is really getting real. I had the contractor call me. Went looking for kitchens. I'm thinking about adjusting the bathroom to make it a little bit bigger. Extra costs, of course. It's going to be a lot of money. But this is the last house we're going to live in, I hope. So it just has to be exactly what we want, because we're not going to be moving after that. Well, we will, but it'll be between 6 planks, 6 sides. Let's see. Oh, don't do that because I don't want to spill that. The sides, I will do that later. That's not a big problem. So right now we have, only here you can see the lines from where the canvas is stretched over those wooden thingies. So I do want to have that disappear also. So in comes the old brush, and ever so lightly I am making sure that everything is covered. Okay, yeah, a little bit there. I think I should have made it just a little bit thinner. But I want to do different techniques with it. So if I make it too thin, then it's not going to work for the rest of the techniques. And while I'm at it, I'll just do the sides, because if the color is going to go over the side, I think it would be nice if it has the black background also. So that's what we're going to do. And as you can see, that goes pretty quick. Just putting it on there. That is nice and black. This one too. There you go. Now what I was planning on doing, I do have silicone in my paints. So what I'm planning on doing is putting all the colors in a silicone cup, which I can really pinch, and I want to make some sort of a really nice swirl, and then I'm hoping it to sort of smooth out. So I'm gonna do a couple of layers. Oh, you can't see anything, can ya? I'll move that in a bit. So what I'm doing is layering the colors, and I don't have any special way to layer them. It's just, you know, I'm grabbing what I can grab and just putting it in. There you go. And another yellow. I think yellow would look really nice. And then a little bit of pink. And then, oops, a little bit of blue. That's a lot of color. And I still have a lot left over, so if this doesn't really do the trick, then I can always do some more. So here we go. You can almost not see the canvas. Okay, let's do it. So make a nice, continuous, nice pattern. Like that. That is kind of nice. And now look at that. See how it goes jaggedy? It does that because I used the brush. And I sort of had the idea it would do that because it's sort of, you know, going in between those brush strokes. So that's why I started off with my little trusty little card, but okay. But now we need to move this paint, and it is not going to be moving really fast. It is moving really slow. That's not going to work, guys. Oh, I saw it all before my eyes. I had this whole idea, and now it's not working. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do. And of course, if all else fails, you can just always swipe. So let's do the swipe. We're going to swipe. But for that, I need a little bit more color. Put one in there. I'm going to first try something else, though. See, if I put more paint on there, that wouldn't work either, because then, you know, the black would just disappear, and I was really planning on having a little bit of black, so that won't work either. So we're just going to make something different. If life gives you lemons, make lemonade. I like that saying. Okay, that looks kind of cute. But I am going to first do something with a card, like this. And maybe with my little silicone spatula. Okay, let's see how we're going to do this. I don't want to ruin it, though. Let's see what happens. That is kind of nice. But I want to see if it also sells. Yep, that'll sell. There it goes. But I am losing the brightness of the colors now, so that is something that I really don't like. So I'm going to swipe the whole thing. Let's just do that. Put some more black on top here. And see what happens. Uh-oh, I don't have a swipey thing. I'm so just not organized, I guess. Let's see if we do this. Ooh, there's a lot of color. Okay. I am losing my touch, people, because this is just not moving. It really isn't. I put enough paint on there, so I'm thinking maybe the paint is way too thick. Could be. Okay. Where's my little... Because we are going to put something on top here. We're going to do some ribbons. That's one. And missed this little piece of ribbon. There you go. And now we're going to make something out of this. Just wait. We're going to do it. That's that. Now we're going to do all sorts of techniques. Let's see how this is going to work. Oh, that's kind of nice. I'm going to put one down there. I'm going to call it a day after this one, guys, because it is not doing what I want it to do. Now I have to lay a knot in it, but with gloves, you know how difficult that is, because you get, oh no, I'm not sure if you can see it, I'm covered in paint. This is not a good day. But I sort of knew that before I started, but because everything started, you know, to sort of, I don't know, go wrong. First off, there was a pigeon. It was stuck between the fence, our fence, and the neighbor's fence. It could fly down, but it could never fly back up because, you know, it has to spread its wings. When it's going down, they usually have their wings tucked in. So when it wanted to get out, it couldn't get out. Then I sort of panic because I'm thinking, the poor baby. So I came up with a plan. We put a really long plank of wood, and just as I thought, he just walked up the plank and he could get himself free. So that was cool. Here I need a little bit of color because that's kind of dark. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, that's nice. Now I like this most, so we have to make sure that we have a lot of places that we really like. There, little one there, little one there. It looks really busy, and it is, but I'm sort of liking it. Wait a minute. Gotta clean my balloon. And I want a little bit more yellow. So we're going to give it a little bit of yellow up there. That one, and that one. I'm telling you, today is not a good day. This should be the comedy pour. Okay, do that again. I'm so covered in paint. I cannot tell you how much paint I'm covered in. That's it. Oh no, and down here. Okay, up to now I sort of like it. But now comes, of course, what you're all waiting for. Glitter. So let's do this. Oops, that's a little bit much, but that's okay. We're gonna make this one big, bright, happy painting. And oh yeah, this one. This one is gonna be so happy. It's gonna make you sick. These are those really big, shiny things that they put on nails. See that? So put a few of them on, and then a few pink ones, because I think that's gonna really make it look cute. I can't wait to see this in the sun when it's dry tomorrow. This would be a really nice present for a young person. They would really like it, I'm pretty sure. And of course this color. We like this color. Let's see, oops. A little bit down there. A little bit here in the black because I like that. Okay, let's see if you can see how it shines. Oh yeah, you can. Okay. I'm gonna leave it like that. I really kind of like it. So I'm thinking if I can use something in this to do a bigger painting, because of course you all know I'm going to go for a black kitchen and a black toilet and a black bathtub. It's all gonna be black. There you go. Take that off. I think I'm gonna leave it just like this. I'm hoping it to be dry tomorrow morning, because I'm gonna do the next video tomorrow, and then when this is dry I can show you. But it is sort of interesting. I might even do some macros. Glitter, when you make macro pictures to enlarge, when you have glitter on them, not so good, because they are huge on a macro, and that doesn't look good. What I might do, but then I need something like this, some really bright, just to make it even more colorful. Yeah, I'm not sure you're seeing it, but I am, and this sort of makes sense. Just a few dots here and there of the really bright colors. Let's see, one there. We're making it even busier, and somehow it works. Okay, we are not ready to judge it yet, guys. We're gonna wait till tomorrow, and then we can judge it. Okay? Because I'm sort of liking it more and more. This is like, I don't know, like a party on a canvas. I do think it's pretty. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Love you all to pieces. Have a fantastic weekend. And I'm gonna be, look, even up to my armpits. Look at that. So I'm gonna be washing myself, taking the paint off, and I'll see you all tomorrow. So love you all to pieces. Bye bye.